Making an egg white only omelet can be difficult because it's going to want to pull apart because there's no yolks in it. Watch to see how I keep it all together. But this one with guacamole is amazing, and I'll show you how to do that. No, I'm not going to show you how to make the guacamole because you'll find that in another video on this channel. But let's get into it now.
Tambor te llama y está llamando con sentimiento y manana.
In this last moment of the video, if you did not get any value out of this video, please do not subscribe. But if you did, if you like what you see, including the toast I throw onto the top of this omelet, it looks amazing. If you get value out of it, please hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends, and help me make more of this craveable food for you. Let me know below what you want to see me make. I got several videos in the works, but hey, go make this one now. And in the meantime, hit this video up here. It's also amazing. I loved it.